Hello guys in YouTube. Today I'm going to show you how to hack in-app purchases of games and any other apps. But before starting, I just want to tell you that it will not work on online games. 90% of the online games. Still you can try on some, it may work. But on online games will not work. In some normal games also. But in most of them it will work. So we start. Open your browser, come to Google and search Lucky Patcher. See, it comes, you can just search Lucky Patcher APK, and the first option, this Lucky Patcher ampu.p down, this one, link is in the description. You can check this out and just download it from here. I already have, so I will not download. Now after downloading, open it. It will open and ask for some permissions and all. Just give it. It doesn't need root, but if you have a rooted phone, the chances are more of hacking. So now just you can download custom patches from here. Custom patches are available for some apps or games, but like you can create your patches, and custom patches like you can just what you call, so you can just, it will be a ready patch for you which you can download and you don't have to do anything else from outside then. So like, which app can I hack? I don't have some apps which can hack. Like this one, it says, it tells here in-app purchases, in-app 8-ball pool, but this is an online game, so it will not work. Like this one I'll try, folder mount, in-app purchases found. So to download, if you have a non-rooted device, some less options will come here. Because I have a rooted device, so I'm getting all of them almost. So now you have to click open menu of patches, and it will either it will give a custom patch option, and this will not come if you have this manual patcher if you have a non-rooted phone. And but what you have to do is just click on this option, support patch for in-app and A-level emulation. Now just don't touch any of the settings, just click apply and it will start patching it. On a non-rooted device, it will just show the circle turning, and after a while, depending on the size of the app, it will show you, a dialog will pop up. Just it's almost there. So analyzing results. See, it will show a result like this, but on a non-rooted device something different will be shown. So now you can put launch here, and like now on this I want to do I want click on purchase pro. So buy, go to Play Store and see this will pop up. Just say yes and it shows your purchase is complete, thank you for your support. Okay, right? But on a non-rooted device you have to reinstall the app. A setup will come. So to do this, see on the bottom right corner here, rebuild and install, just click on this and this folder will pop up. Just click on Lucky Patcher, then go to modified, and the app you set it up will come here, its name. You can just click on it and when you click, options will come: install, delete. You can click uninstall and then install. It will first uninstall your original app and then install the modified one. And if you have some data in that app, please save the one by some softwares. Now I'll come back. So I hope you have understood how to do this. Again, I can buy. This will work Truecaller and Temple Run, many of the games. Like, I've already now see Purchase Pro, so option is not coming here. So I hope you like the video and it was useful to you. Like the video and subscribe to my channel, and for any questions, comment below. Thank you.